Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Village Grandpa. Good morning wherever you are. Bonjour. Habari yako. This is a good morning in Kenya. We are experiencing somehow cold. So we don't know that this day there's no sunshine like any other day, but today is a bit cold. So I thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and welcome again today for another content that I've in fact put for you. Today I'll be showing you the progress on the cave that I've proposed here. I mean, I'm renovating a house to make it a cave, so I'll be showing you around how far I have gone, so that you may know what I'm also doing. The other day I was at Mayuguno's place trying to check the progress that he has, the steps that he has taken, and his progress in his work. And in fact, I saw it was indeed a great job that he had done. And I'm also here also to show you what I have done so far. So far, I think I had shown you the grills. I had put some grills. Yeah, these are the grills that I had put. You can see already we have plastered the walls, and we are left now with the floor. We are yet to make the floor, then put the ceiling up there. So today we are working on the stairs where people will be, because from the road is somehow steep, so we are making some stairs that will be used when come inside the cave. Yes. See. So you can see how far we have gone. This is the room itself. We are also trying to make the floor. This is the floor. We are trying to make it so that we can put a good floor. Initially, it had some stairs here, or floor stair here. So that one is one, and the other. So we are trying to make to be one, the floor to be one. So this is how we are trying to make the house look like. Yeah. Then this door goes to the washroom. Yeah, these are the washrooms. You can see this one is a corridor. You go with it. This one will be a bathroom. This one is a bathroom. Then you come here. This one will be for ladies. Then you come this way. This one will be for gents. And this one is for short poles. I will put them here. So already this one is finished. We are only waiting for maybe to start putting on tiles, wall tiles, and the floor tiles, then the doors. Yeah, and the ceiling. Up there, the ceiling we will put. So that is how far we have gone, but we are still progressing. We have the kitchen here. This is the kitchen. Kitchen is already all finished. We are left with the tiles, floor tiles and the wall tiles. Yes. Yeah, this is the kitchen. We have already put the system. Yeah, this one is the system for water and sanitation. Already has been put in place. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm also working on this so that by December I hope it will be over. By December it will be over and it will be in place. So that is what I'm working on. And today I was here to just inspect how far they have gone. As you have seen, the masons are in and they are working on the parts that are remaining. So soon and very soon the cave will be operational, and for those that will be coming here will enjoy what we'll have put here. As you know, I'm a farmer and we need to be cooking good food that is not contaminated with very many acids and so on and so forth. So we'll make sure that if they are vegetables, they should be good vegetables, very good. So you are most welcomed, especially when the cave is over. You're welcome to be here, and for those ones that are Nyabohanse YouTubers, they can be coming here even to download, to upload their contents, their videos, because I've put in place everything that is needed. Yeah, they can charge their phones here. I'll put also Wi-Fi so that they can sit here, relax, and do what they are doing. As long as you have something to take, not to just come and idle. So I've put everything in place. So this is what I'm doing this morning, inspecting and seeing how far they have gone. And as far as I'm concerned, in fact, the job is excellent and they're doing it very well. Yeah, very well. So I'll keep on updating you on what we are doing. Always, I'm also privileged here today to be visited by my friend Mapopo. I want to show him around what I'm doing, because he's also doing something, but I've taken time before I go and check on him. But I love also to go and see what he's doing. So Mapopo,
yes,
remember,
I'm here.
Yeah, remember I'll come to see what you are doing. I want to show you what I'm doing, but I will come. Nitakuja kuona ile vitu unafanya.
Okay. Yes. So guys, my name is Popo. Welcome to Village Grandpa channel. Kindly please open you watching this my video. No, these videos. Make sure you subscribe, guys. We need for that.
Yes.
Make sure you share. Make sure, because we're small YouTubers, you know. Yes. So
we are still very small.
Small YouTubers.
Yes.
Yes. Because now we
ama unaweza kujilinganisha na Udimai.
Where?
You cannot reach Udimai. But we can.
Yeah. True God.
With
true
time.
God. Yeah, true God. One day, yes.
Yes.
One day, send me. I grow.
Yeah.
Like a Wodemaya. Like a Marwa.
Yes.
Like a Dimwango.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
So for now, we start. Yes. So we grow slowly, step by step.
Eti wengine wanaitaka bulako. We grow plako.
Sio bulako.
Plako.
Sasa hiyo ni nini?
Small.
Uliniambia ni lugha gani ulisema? Okay, by the way, this is a secret agenda, but I understand Placo.
Yes, we grow Placo.
Hiyo ni ngumu.
That is growing small. Yes.
My dad, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I say this congratulations from Kumutima.
Yes, from kwa heart.
From kwa heart.
Yes.
My friend.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, you can see you are also a mason. You can check.
I know. Me, I'm mason, by the way.
This is the kitchen. This is the
you know, kitchen. before I come, you start for doing this a project.
Yes.
You know, before I see as like a jokes. I don't see maybe one day is coming. Is crocodile like this.
Yes.
Said for now, hey. Mzee, yani sasa na wewe ni mnoma. That true. If you go serious yo.
I was serious. No, this is the kitchen. Hata sije kuonyesha. Ujaona mahali pa malu.
This is a kitchen.
This kitchen.
Wow.
And this is now where people will be sitting when eating. You see the hall. So, tunajaribu kupiga hizo kurudisha huko. Iwe level moja. Floor moja.
Ikuwe level moja.
Yeah, to be one floor.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Then huko ulikuwa umeona huko. You had seen there. But now here you had not seen.
What is this?
This is hapa ni loo.
Room?
No, loo. Mahali pa kujisaidia. Kama yes. Yeah. Yes.
Wow. So I see these are men. These are what is the I see these are 1, 2, 3.
This is loo 4. Ile ya kusimama ile ya wazee. You stand here. Naweka hapa kale kamkebe ile. Na hapa ile
you stand, you have a helping.
Yeah. You stand and you see these holes. Hizi mashimo hizi. Yeah, this mashimo hii.
Okay.
Yeah, is for those things. Hiyo mashimo hiyo. So unakuja unajificha hapo. But for men here. Long. Open this.
Oh, okay.
Open that.
Yes. Wow.
You can see.
That's good.
Yeah.
So for this you put you putting tiles.
Yeah, you put tiles and they put water. The system.
Yeah, this is a system for water.
Yeah, you flush.
Yeah, you flush.
Yeah.
Like Jerome.
Yes. Lakini sasa unajua hii for common men, if you put that one ile ya kukaa, ile watachafua. Ile
hapana bana. Common men hiyo hapana bana. These are common men ile special for
this one is also
private.
For ladies.
What is this?
For ladies. Yeah.
What is ladies?
Ladies wademu. Ini wademu Ile ni men. Ni ma ladies.
Okay.
Alafu kuna bafu yao hapa.
Wanawake.
Yes, this is a shower.
Oh, we take shower this place.
Tunaona hata
we open this cross, you cross.
Yeah, we put shower. Mtu atakuja hapa amechelewa wala ametoka Nairobi.
By the way.
Take bath.
That's true.
Shower.
Yeah, that's true.
So, hiyo ni ya kutake shower.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's true.
Hii ni bath.
Nice.
Bath. Ila tu utakuja niweke tiles. Sasa kwa sasa huyu. This one will be for like a small store, but I'll have to cut here.
Oh, you cut this side?
Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
Sasa niweka store hapa kama ya maybe kuweka soda. Ama hata naweza nikaweka kama manager hapa akakaa hapa. Because that place is far.
That's true.
Yes.
Yeah. So unakajengea mpaka mwisho
nitaweka tu mlango hapa. Hapa naweza kuweka zile cardboard. Ile cardboard nikamatanisha mpaka huko napiga ceiling board.
Alafu inakuwa na press hivi. Okay.
So itakuwa
sawa. That's a good plan, ba.
Yeah, good.
That's a good plan.
But in the future itabomoa hapa. This one will be a corridor.
Yeah.
I want to put some guests down there.
You cross
mtu anaingia hapa anaenda hiyo na corridor, then you go to the guest rooms.
Guest rooms?
Yeah, I'll put the guest rooms.
There?
Yes.
Out?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, why not?
Hi.
The sky is the limit.
Congratulations.
Si ndio? Unawaza kwenda juu.
Si ndio?
Yes.
You will finish eating, you will full
sleep,
stomach.
You want to sleep, you get a guest,
you will go out.
You go out there and sleep.
Yeah. That's nice. That's very good.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah, so that is the far I have gone. So this is the
what is this?
This one will be like a small butcher.
Small butcher.
Yes.
Not small, that's big. That's big.
This one is big. Yeah. This one is a butchery for meat.
Okay.
Yes, for meat. Roast meat.
Roast meat.
Nyama choma.
Nyama choma.
Yeah.
Roast meat you eat in the ugali vuruga na sosa.
Vuruga na sosa. Vuruga na sosa.
Ugali vuruga na sosa. So, hii mbona ni kubwa sana?
Nini? Hii room.
Hii utaijaza watu wajae kabisa huko.
Watu watajaa.
Guys, unajua kimaliza hii? Ukianza kuitisha na wageni.
Hii hata watu wanafanya hapa.
I promise you, let me tell you something. I promise you guys, my friend. My name is Mapopo. Guys, you watching this my video. After finish to watch these videos, make sure you go check at Mapopo 23.
Yes, Mapopo
23. Please.
Yeah, he's even in the
I'm
the
me.
shirt.
I'm true me.
Shirt.
No,
23.
not for me. This is not for me. No. This is
but it is also 23.
Yeah, 23 for me.
Yes.
That's for me.
Yes,
but it's calling at Mapopo 23.
At Mapopo 23.
Yes. So thank you. I promise you guys, after watching my video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment.
Yes.
Guys, my video at Mapoto TV. Yes. This is my dad. We live teamwork. Yes. But we live one place. But it's not living one land, no. But we live one place in Nyabuhansi, right?
Nyabuhansi.
Yes. So me, I am your son.
Yes.
So on YouTube and on your on my.
But on YouTube
family.
you are my dad.
Yes.
Because you know why? It's because wewe ulianza mbele yangu.
By the way.
Yeah, ulianza you were before after you started earlier. Sasa mimi niko chini, I'm down, just
but
down.
But me, I'm not for you. I'm not your dad, but I am your brother. I am your brother.
Oh, you're my brother.
But because that is like a marwa, like a dimango, like a maybe always big.
Marwa. You know
Marwa ni baba wa YouTuber wote hapa. Wote.
Is the father.
Is the grandfather.
He's also a grandfather.
Grandfather on YouTube channel.
Yes.
You know? Yeah, so I promise you this place is complete. I promise you I need and you come visit me. You come visit me, I come buy your food. I come to let soda, you know soda guys, juice, and everything is inside, and the guest house is there. So you need, maybe you come sleeping for my home, my house. Yes. No worry, you need sleeping for grandpa guest house.
No problem.
No worry, no problem.
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching these videos. I love you and appreciate you so much. My dad, congratulations.
Thank you very much. So me, I was to show him here what I'm doing, the progress I'm doing. So I'm happy for you.
And me.
At least you have come to say hi and even me advise me, congratulate me. I feel okay.
Yeah, that's
so that
good.
I can also be encouraged to continue.
Yeah, by the way, that's true. You have another step, and you have a power for growing up there. Yes, for having another step. You grow step by step. Yes, so no way, I thank so much.
Thank you.
So, and you welcome for my project.
Thank you,
yeah, and you welcome.
I love you,
This is my dad.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
you so much.